This is the Batwing 60-litre kit bag. We designed it to give you superior access to your kit and modular organization so you can customize it to your needs. This is how we did it. The reason it's called the Batwing is because you can access your gear through each side like bat wings. So wing one, open up one side and you can get access to the 3 pockets along this side and also the main body of the pack. You can do exactly the same on the opposite side. You can open up the top of the pack like a normal kit bag. There's a separate helmet storage pocket that's big enough to fit a large Protoss helmet as well. Or you can flat lay the pack and fully open it up, giving you access to every storage location. All of these zipper access points use YKK zippers featuring our big T-bar zipper pullers, so you can easily open the zippers even when you're wearing gloves. As well as superior access, the Batwing has got the most versatile internal organization. From the daisy chain back panel to the expandable triple pockets. For our organization system, we started with a full daisy chain back panel. This is the platform that everything builds from. To start with, the daisy chain can be used to carabiner equipment too. It then allows you to add on the compression straps. These compression straps can be used to keep equipment strapped against the back panel, such as climbing harnesses or spikes, and they can also be used on the outside of the pack as well. You get 4 of these modular compression straps included with the Batwing kit bag. The daisy chain back panel also lets you add on these movable gear pods. These are 3-litre gear pods with a big grab handle, daisy chain loops, and a mesh top. These are basically padded packing cubes helping you to organize your gear, and you can clip them anywhere up and down this daisy chain and add in as many as you like. On the inside of the bag, on each wing, we also have these triple pockets. You can expand them from single to double or triple pockets, allowing you to customize them to the size of the gear you need to carry. And because they're on the side wings, you can easily access the gear that's stored in them by simply opening one wing or the other. We're based in Australia and hydration is something we think about a lot. And a lot of our customers work in remote areas, having to hike into and out of locations with all of their equipment. That's why we've designed the Batwing kit bag to easily fit a hydration bladder on the back panel with the drinking tube pass-through over the right-hand shoulder. The Batwing kit bag has a streamlined exterior that you can still customize with external organization. Each side has a molly attachment panel, which allows you to molly additional equipment to the outside of the pack. Our molly bottle pouch allows you to carry water on the outside of the kit bag, or you can molly first aid kits to the outside of the kit bag, like the deployed trauma kit, so you've always got this equipment with you. Plus the 4 included compression straps also fit to the molly panel, allowing you to expand the carry capacity even further. On the front of the pack, we've included a daisy chain system. This allows you to quickly and easily attach equipment that you may need to get to quickly. And with all this physical organization, we've also included digital organization. We've partnered with Scannable and included a built-in scannable NFC tag. This allows you to digitally track this kit bag and its contents. With all of this equipment storage and organization, we had to think about carry options, and this is starting with our rucksack carry system. We've given you chunky shoulder straps with load lifters and a sternum strap for when you're carrying heavy equipment. And if you're hiking any distance, there's an included removable and height adjustable waist belt to take the load off of your shoulders. We've also included duffel carry handles for one-hand horizontal carrying and our unique team carry handles. These are great for helping you load the kit bag in and out of vehicles, or for when your team is already loaded up with packs, but you need a way to carry this with a partner. This pack wouldn't be complete without multiple identification options, starting with a clear ID card slot on the front for easy labeling of the kit bag. Just above there, we've added a hook and loop panel for ID or morale patches, whether it's medical patches to show everyone on site that this is the kit bag with the first aid kit, ID patches to show what equipment it's carrying, or just to personalize your kit bag compared to others. There's also hook and loop on the side for easy identification when the kit bags are stacked horizontally. The Batwing Kit Bag is a feature-packed kit bag for superior access and modular organization. If you've got any questions about the Batwing Kit Bag, we love to hear from you, so please drop them in the comments below. And for more information, click the first link in the description and head to recoil.com.